Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a video on how I install this beautiful wig. This wig is from WIGGINSHAIR. They sent me the 24 inches body wave 13x4 frontal. I love this hair. It's so beautiful. The hair came pre-plucked. I just plucked it up a little bit because I want the natural hairline. Other than that, it's beautiful. Look at this. You can even have a middle part, but we're not doing middle part. You can see the middle part right there. So this is the wig freshly washed and plucked. The wig did come pre-plucked, but I just had to pluck a little bit more just to give it that natural look. Did come in a box like this. This wig is from WIGGINSHAIR. In the box I also have some gifts. It came with some beautiful lashes. It also came with an elastic band to melt your lace. And they also put in some wig caps in there as well. I'm not using the wig caps at the moment, but I will definitely be using it in the near future. The thing that I love that it also came with a satin bag. So when you're done with your wig and it's all freshly washed, you can always put it in that bag. So the first thing I'm going to do is apply my foundation onto the lace. I don't like bleaching my knots just because I feel like the hair becomes more fragile and it shreds more when you bleach your knots. So, and plus this is the easier way. So once I'm done applying my foundation onto my lace, I'm just going to test it out just to see where I want the hair to lay, where I'm going to be gluing it. So this is what I'm doing at the moment. It's nothing, extra, nothing special, thing I'm going to be doing is applying my foundation onto my wig cap, and I'm not doing the stocking cap method because I just feel like that method takes a very long time, and so I'm just doing this quick wig install. So the clip of me applying the glue got deleted, so all I did was apply my Got2b glue, and I used the hold spray to spray it, and then I let that sit for about a couple of seconds, and then I applied my lace on top of that. And then I use my elastic band to melt my lace. So all I'm doing here is cutting my lace, making sure I go zigzaggy and not just in a straight line, which is kind of hard too because the scissors was really big for this, but this is all I had. I know it's looking rough right now, but just trust the process, okay? This is one of those things where you have to trust the process. So I'm just putting off my baby hairs at the moment. I'm going to take as much as I need. Not a lot, but just as much as you need. Don't overdo it, okay? I'm just applying extra hold spray and extra Got2b glue just so the sides can be laid. At the moment they're not laid. I don't know why the sides always they need extra work for them to be laid. I don't know why they're so stubborn. So I'm gonna apply, after parting off my baby hairs, I'm gonna tie my elastic band again, just to secure, you know, just to make sure everything is secure, everything is laid. Yeah, that's what we're doing. We want perfections. So now we're using our wax stick to lay the hair. We're gonna make sure the hair is pretty laid. We want it to be laid flat, so we're using our wax stick to help us with that. After applying the wax stick, I'm gonna go in with my hot comb, just to you know, press on that part just to make it laid. You know, the hot comb is not as hot as I want it. I need to get a new hot comb. This hot comb is not working for me. I need something that's like, I don't know, this is not it. So now I'm just going to take off my elastic band just to see how the hair looks. And look at this. It looks beautiful. It's giving scalp. You know what I mean? Like, it looks good. Like I said, trust the process. We're still not done, but you know, we're getting there. We're getting to something. We're getting to somewhere, you know. And so now we're about to be working on my favorite part, which is the baby hair. That's the stress-free part. I mean, it can be stressful as well, but to me, sometimes it's kind of fun to do, you know. It means we're almost at the finish line. So with this part, you're just gonna have to look, because you're just gonna have to pay attention to what I'm doing, because I don't really know how to explain it. I just do it how I'm feeling at the moment. And this moment, I felt like I need to do extra baby hair, because with the slick back look, I just feel like extra baby hair is just perfect for this look. Don't judge me. This is how I like it. So. Doing your baby hair can be time consuming. Like, I'm telling you, you think it's simple, but it can be time consuming, because you have to redo this. Like, it's a lot, but you know, it's still my favorite part. But yeah, we're almost at the finish line. If you're still here watching this, you're a real MVP. Thank you so much. So once I'm done with the baby hairs, I'm going to use my wrap to wrap the baby hairs. I want it to be extra laid. I don't want this hair to go anywhere, so I just want it to melt. So I'm going to use that to melt the lace even more. And we're almost done. So I'm going to keep this wrap on until I'm done doing my makeup. I'm honestly in love with this hair. Like it's given, okay? It's so soft and beautiful. Thank you all for watching. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.